Trusted Signals.
What up, Trusted Signals, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over the bearish market on the crypto space. A huge push to the downside on BTC, huge push to the downside on Ethereum, and altcoins all across the board. So in this video, I'm gonna go over how to save money and make money during these bearish markets. And stick around to the end of this video if you want to find out about the Trusted Signals auto trade robot that is to come real soon. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing I'm gonna do is turn on the buy and sell signals and the show current trade stats table for take profit areas. And here I just want to point out the obvious, and this sell signal before this absolute tank of price with BTC. So what you could have done here is simply had this alert sent right to your cell phone by adding an alert. Just by creating an alert, and this sell signal would have hit your phone. Now, keep in mind that when you make an alert, if you are on the daily, then the sell signal on the daily is going to be sent to your phone. So for crypto holders on crypto exchanges, having an alert on a higher time frame is going to benefit you more than someone who is a day trader, because then you're going to get this alert on the higher time frame and simply sell off a percentage of your coins. Always take profits, either a 20%, 30%, or even 40%. And if you guys are wondering how to set up these alerts, just watch our previous videos and I break down step by step how to create these alerts to get them notified on your cell phone. So let's say you got that sell signal but didn't have enough time to get to your computer and you ended up selling off right around the 59,477 area right here. Now, if you were holding your coins on an exchange, you would have saved yourself from losing a 26,000 point move, which is a huge percentage of your USD value in BTC. Or you could have had a short position on a margin trade, let's say trading on a Forex platform, and had your take profits given to you 53616.45 as your first take profit, and with 50,102.74 as your second take profit, and last your 46,449.15 as your final take profit number 3, in which all 3 positions would have smashed take profit and continued, and we still don't have an opposing signal that goes against this huge sell-off. So right now, based on that last sell signal, that is 24,428.31 points profit, or 24,000 pips. That's just a quick example of the power behind Trusted Signals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was also informative. And like I said in the beginning of this video, the Trusted Signals auto trade robot expert advisor, it's coming real soon, guys. Lifetime members will be the ones with first access to the expert advisor. It's currently being tested by the Trusted Signals developers and hoping to have it launched ready to go by March. And if you have any questions about our indicators or settings, please do drop them in the comments and we'll gladly answer them in our next upcoming videos. Once again, Trusted Signals, let's go!